welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're gonna try and unbox something cool from Axworn. They have sent me this Waterfall incense burner mountain. So it looks like this. This box includes assorted incense cones, incense sticks, handlers, tweezers, and decorative mat. We're gonna unbox it and let's see what's inside. So we have here the decorative mat and then some instructions, the warnings, the cones, and this is the tweezers, incense sticks, and of course this is the Waterfall mountain. It looks so nice, but it has a styro. So let me clean this first. Let us remove the styrofoams. So guys, we're gonna set it up. I got a random box flat surface that you can put this Waterfall incense burner, and I'm gonna place the mat here, and then I will place this one, and we're gonna get the cone. So this time I'll be using the cone instead of incense stick. You're gonna put the cone at the top of this. So if you're gonna use the incense stick, you're gonna be putting down the cone here, and then let me get one incense stick. So I couldn't open it, but you're gonna get one stick and then you'll be putting down here. This time I'll be using the cone, this one, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. I'm gonna get this purple one. So if you can see, this cone has a hole, and if you can see, there's a hole on this waterfall as well, and then you're gonna put hole to hole. So it's gonna be like this. So after we already put the cone at the top of the mountain, we're gonna ignite the cone. So yeah, just blow 45 seconds after igniting. So it is smoking right now. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is smoking. Oh, that's so cool. As you can see, the smoke is flowing down our mouth. It's so cool. Look. As you can see, it's flowing. It's just a smoke. That's so cool. Guys, it's so amazing. Hi guys, so I opened the door. I'm scared that the smoke detector can detect the smoke, so that's why I turned it off already. I wet the cone to prevent, if you can see, that thing on the top is our smoke detector. Did you see how cool that is? So let's talk about the benefits of having this Waterfall incense burner mountain at our house. So the reason why people do buy this is it helps to calm the mind and body, increase focus and creativity, soothing away tension, and as I've said, helping to reduce stress. It is also perfect for meditation. So yeah, just be careful and always read the instructions, the warnings. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you again on my next video. Bye!